Excellence is not just a promise, it is a commitment we live by. At Accent International, we believe in delivering more than products. We deliver trust, reliability, and global solutions that empower agriculture and farming across the world. With over 12 years of expertise, 500-plus premium products, and presence in more than 25 countries, Accent International is your trusted partner in global farming solutions. Fast delivery, service guaranteed, quality products. These three pillars define every step of our journey. From sourcing to shipment, every detail is managed with precision. Because at Accent International, customer satisfaction isn't just a goal, it's a guarantee. Our wide product portfolio stands for durability, style, and unmatched value. From water hoses, polyfilms and liners, and water pumps, to HDPE pipes, irrigation systems, nursery tools, and sprayers, we ensure every product reflects innovation, reliability, and long-term performance. Every solution we provide is reliable, efficient, and customer-focused. Whether you're a farmer, distributor, or global procurement partner, in today's world, time is everything. That's why our logistics are designed for swift, secure, and on-time delivery, no matter where you are in the world. Accent International is proud to be an ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturer and exporter of agriculture and farming equipment. Our success is built on strong relationships, verified industry sources, and a seamless supply chain that connects farms to global markets. Agriculture is the backbone of every nation. Our mission is to transform the farming sector with innovative solutions that improve productivity, empower farmers, and foster sustainability. Through innovation, collaboration, we strive to be a catalyst for positive change, building a future where farming thrives, communities prosper, and the world grows greener. What sets us apart? Our values, integrity, doing the right thing, always, high standards, where customer care means true commitment, continuity, honoring every partnership beyond written obligations, exceptional service, exceeding expectations every single time, cooperation, working as one team, one family, and responsibility, where every action reflects accountability and trust. From North and South America to Africa, the Gulf, Asia, and Europe, Accent International's global footprint continues to grow, touching lives and shaping agriculture across continents. Because we go beyond products, we bring clarity, perfection, and 24/7 customer support. With us, you gain a partner who understands your priorities, delivers value at competitive rates, and ensures every commitment is honored with integrity. Accent International, your partner in progress. Together, let's cultivate growth, foster sustainability, and build a future where excellence is not just a promise, but a way of life. Accent International. Our promise of excellence. Our motto is not just selling agriculture products, but selling the concept of growth, innovation, and sustainability through agriculture and farming equipment.